How to install the Whatnot application on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whatnot is a live stream shopping application where users can buy and sell collectibles, fashions, electronics, and other unique items. This is done through live auctions and sales. In order to get the application, head over to your Google Play Store and search or type in Whatnot. You will see this icon with Whatnot, Shop, Sell, and Connect. Tap on the install button and it should automatically start the download. Currently, the application is of 47.78 MB. It might take 1 minute or so depending upon your internet connection for the download, followed by installation. So this is how you can get the application and use the key features of app, which includes live auctions, buy it now option, diverse categories, community engagement, and secured transaction. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.